Grandma's favorite fishing trip. The sky was still dark when Grandma woke up. It was Saturday, her favorite day of the week. Grandma went fishing every Saturday morning. But today was special. Today, Grandma was bringing some very special frogs with her on her Saturday fishing trip. "Wake up, my little ones," Grandma said. "It is time for us to catch some fish. It's going to be a great day." Hoppy and Leapy sprung out of bed. They had never gone fishing with their grandma, and they were very excited. They threw off their frog pajamas and brushed their long tongues. "Don't leave without us, Grandma," they said. "I would not dream of it," Grandma said. Grandma helped the little frogs pack their fly and beetlebug jam sandwiches. They gathered their gear, and they were on their way. Leaping over each other's backs, they hopped down to the pond and onto Grandma's old rowboat. "I have a feeling this is going to be a very good day," Grandma said. Grandma, Hoppy, and Leapy paddled out into the middle of the pond. It truly was a beautiful day. The pond water was still, the sun was shining, and the sky was clear. The three frogs pulled out their gear and cast their fishing line. They talked and talked and talked and fished all day long. When they were hungry, they ate their fly and beetlebug jam sandwiches. Soon the sun began to set over the hills, and the sky turned a soft pink. Grandma drew in her fishing line and said it was time to go. "Let's go tell Grandpa about my best fishing day ever," she said, smiling proudly. "But we didn't catch any fish," croaked the kids. "How can it be your best day ever?" Grandma laughed and let out a loud ribbit. Pulling Hoppy and Leapy into her arms, she gave them a big hug. "We didn't catch any fish, it's true," Grandma said. "But it was my favorite fishing day ever, because I was able to spend it with you." For more videos, subscribe and like my channel.